Brothers and sisters in Islam, there are two main things that destroy and ruin al-Emaan, faith inside our hearts. Something known as ash-shubuhat and the other known as ash-shahawat. Faith-based doubts, that's the first one. And evil temptation and desire is the second one. These damage and destroy al-Emaan. Faith-based doubts, such as a person doubting the existence of Allah, the mercy of Allah, the presence of Allah, the ability of Allah, doubting the angels, the shayateen, doubting the hellfire, the paradise, and so on. These type of doubts, the way we cure them is with knowledge, beneficial knowledge. Beneficial knowledge cures and protects a person from falling into faith-based doubts. And the knowledge we're talking about is beneficial knowledge from the Qur'an or Sunnah. And that is the miraculous aspect of the Qur'an. The miraculous aspect of the Qur'an is that the one who reads the Qur'an, seeking knowledge from the Qur'an with an open, sincere, honest heart, Allah Azza wa Jal will grant him certainty